Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to replace the screen on a Lenovo Ideapad S405. Model name is 20196. Anyways, as you can see, the screen here totally worthless, so it needs to be replaced, obviously. First thing we're going to do is unplug the laptop. And we're going to take the battery out. You can see it's just a couple of locks or switches that you need to flip. And the battery will just pop right out. Next thing that we're going to do is you're going to open up the laptop, and we need to remove this the bezel around the screen. Some laptops have little screws. This one, it says snaps, so you're just going to dig your fingernails in there a little bit and gently pull the bezel away from the screen. You'll just hear these snaps unhook. I like to do the sides first, and then the top, and then the bottom. The bottom is the hardest one to get. And try not to force anything, because you can break the plastic in the snaps. There we go. Alright, there we go, one laptop screen. Okay, this is really the only tool you need. It's just an electronic screwdriver and Phillips head, and there's 4 screws holding in the screen. I'm just going to unscrew them. There'll be 2 small black ones on the bottom and 2 bigger silver ones on the top. Have to get that screw in there and pull out the screen. Okay. Took a little bit longer than I was hoping. Anyways, the screen just lifts right out. And then what you're going to do is you're just going to pull off this tape here. You're not going to need this tape anymore either. This black little tape is sacrificial, and you're just going to pull out this plug that hooks your laptop internals to the screen. And it really does pull out pretty easy. So. Alright, there's your old screen. Here's my new screen. Ordered it from laptopscreens.com. It's a very reasonable price, and it got here surprisingly fast. I thought it was going to take a lot longer than that, but I'm pretty excited to have it ready to go so quick. Anyways, first thing you're going to do is you're going to plug in. You plug very gently. It snaps right in there. Tape this cover back down. And screw it back in. Alright, after you got all your screws in place, you can go ahead. Oh, let's see, you want to peel off this protective coating, because once you snap the bezel back on, you're not going to be able to take it off because it's going to overlap this plastic. See, these little pieces are broken off on mine because my daughter sat on it, and that's why my computer is broken, or my screen was broken in the first place. Okay. Make sure everything's all lined up. And sometimes you'll have some like tape or glue from the bezel that's dangling down that you pulled off, so make sure there's nothing sticking down. And you can kind of just go around and snap it right back into place. There we go. All right. Now let's plug the battery in. We'll fire it up and see how good we did. Make sure you lock your battery back in so it doesn't fall out again. There we go. Working laptop screen for a Lenovo Ideapad S405.